This video introduces the operation view of the remote controller. Click Begin to enter Operation View. This is the button for selecting the operation mode, which can be route, manual, fruit tree, route mapping, and fruit tree mapping. This is the aircraft status bar, displayed in green when all systems are working properly, in yellow when a common warning exists, and in red when a critical warning exists. You can click the status bar to access device health, where you can view the status of each system. Clicking a module will display its detailed status information. The aircraft connection strength icon shows the strength of the connection signal received by the drone. Make sure that the signal is strong before operating the drone. The aircraft positioning signal icon shows the number of serving satellites. It is recommended to operate the drone when the signal of at least 15 satellites can be received. If an RTK signal source is connected, RTK and the satellite quantity will be displayed, and you can click the icon to view the positioning status. Always pay attention to the battery level indicated by this icon during flights to prevent the situation where the drone cannot return home due to a low battery. You can click the icon to go to Intelligent Battery Settings. For this current recommend payload icon, the first number indicates the available payload capacity, while the second number shows the recommended payload. Here is the RC status, with the icon above indicating the internal battery level and the icon below representing the external battery level. When you click the Add Prescription Map icon, you can either select one from the local device or import one from the cloud. After enabling Measure Tool, you can view the field boundary and the lengths of the start and RTH flight routes on the map. To erase a previous flight path, click the Clean Flight Route icon. Clicking the Center Aircraft RC icon can relocate the drone or home point to the center of the view. You can enable Follow Aircraft to keep the drone at the center of the map view, or disable the option to allow free dragging of the map. Enter the Layer Switch settings. Map Type option allows you to switch between standard and satellite, where the latter is recommended. If you set Overlay HD Map to Personal Account Map, the HD map generated after mapping is loaded and displayed. With Rotate Map enabled, the map adjusts its orientation as you rotate the remote controller. Under Visual Aids, multiple options are available, including horizontal, orientation, and grid. You can select any or all of them. Enabling multitask allows multiple fields to be selected and covered in a single task. These are the main operation buttons. You can click them to perform operations as required. Alternatively, you can use the side buttons for these operations. In the dashboard, the flight and task status parameters of the drone are displayed and updated in real time. This is the radar indicator, which displays the location and distance of the obstacles. If you click the radar indicator, a setting panel is displayed where you can enable or disable the multidirectional obstacle avoidance, attitude stabilization, and obstacle bypassing functions. The icon of the disabled function will appear in red. It is recommended to enable all of them during a task. When the drone is in flight, this red line represents the value and direction of the flight speed. This is the FPV Live View. By clicking the view or pressing the button on the right side of the remote controller, you can switch between the map view and the FPV Live View.